Hi guys, welcome to Story Time with Auntie Sigrid. Today's story is called Pete the Cat. And he says, I love my white shoes. This is Pete. Hi Pete. Let's see what happens in our story. Let me see all the shoes. Pete the Cat. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes. Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. Oh, yeah. What color did it turn his shoes? Red. Did Pete cry? Is he crying? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my red shoes, I love my red shoes, I love my red shoes, I love my red shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. Oh no, Pete! What color did it turn his shoes? Blue! He's got blue shoes now. Did he cry? Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my blue shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. Hey-ya, Pete! What color did it turn his shoes? What color is the mud? It's brown. Did he cry? Goodness, no. He just kept walking along and singing his song. I love my brown shoes. 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 Ah! What happened? Pete stepped in a bucket of water. Oh dear! All the brown, all the red, all the blue, and all the red were washed away. If all of the colors are gone, what color are his shoes? They were white. They had a bath, but now they were wet. You see, there's water in the shoes and they're all wet. Does he cry? Is he crying? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my wet shoes. 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 Oi, he's walking and squeak, 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 squeak. The moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, you gotta keep walking along and singing your song. He's got a red shoe, a brown shoe, a blue shoe, a white shoe. Because it's all good. There's always time for a nap on the sofa. Look, he's dropped his shoes there. There's no shoes on the sofa. And he's still thinking about his white shoes. The end. Love you.